Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and challenging parts of management, scaling operations. Whether you're growing a small team, a department, or an entire company, scaling means taking what works locally and replicating it on a larger scale. But here's the challenge. How do you ensure efficiency, consistency, and adaptability as you grow? Let's break it down step by step. Scaling. The breakfast factory goes national. Imagine you're running a small breakfast factory that serves hot, fresh meals. It's working perfectly in one location, and now you want to expand it nationwide. What do you need to do? To scale successfully, you must 1. Ensure consistency across locations. 2. Adapt to local needs without losing the core vision. Scaling is all about creating systems that allow your operation to grow without chaos or inefficiency. Lesson 1. The power of systems. The first key to scaling is building strong systems. Why? Because systems, 1. Standardize processes. They ensure the same quality and efficiency everywhere. 2. Reduce reliance on individuals. You don't need a superstar at every location if the system itself is strong. Example. In the breakfast factory, having a clear process for cooking, plating, and serving meals ensures the same high standards across all locations. Lesson 2. Measure what matters. When you scale, you lose the ability to oversee everything directly. That's where metrics come in. Use them to track 1. Efficiency. Are resources being used effectively? 2. Consistency. Are all locations delivering the same quality? 3. Adaptability. How well are teams responding to local challenges? Metrics are your eyes and ears. They show where things are going well and where you need to step in. Lesson 3. Decentralized decision-making at scale. Centralized control can slow you down. Instead, empower local teams to make decisions while staying aligned with your overall strategy. Here's how. 1. Set clear guidelines. Provide a blueprint for operations like standardized recipes or branding rules. 2. Allow local flexibility. Let teams adapt to their unique circumstances, like sourcing ingredients based on local availability. Example. A national breakfast factory might use the same recipes everywhere, but allow local managers to adjust ingredient sourcing to reduce costs. Lesson 4. Invest in training and development. Scaling isn't just about systems, it's also about people. As you grow, you'll need skilled employees and leaders to maintain your standards. 1. Training programs. Teach employees the systems, processes, and expectations. 2. Leadership development. Prepare managers to lead larger teams and handle more responsibility. Strong training ensures that everyone, from new hires to seasoned managers, understands how to execute the vision. Challenges of scaling. Scaling isn't without its challenges. Here's what you need to watch out for. 1. Maintaining quality. Small inconsistencies can multiply across locations. Design systems to catch and fix errors early. 2. Balancing control and autonomy. Too much control can stifle innovation. Too much autonomy can lead to inconsistency. Find the sweet spot. 3. Scaling communication. As your organization grows, communication becomes harder. Clear channels for feedback, updates, and decision-making are essential to keep everyone aligned. A practical framework for scaling. Let's bring this all together with the breakfast factory example. 1. Centralized planning. Standardize recipes, kitchen setups, and branding. 2. Decentralized execution. Let local teams handle sourcing, staffing, and day-to-day decisions. 3. Performance tracking. Monitor metrics like customer satisfaction, delivery times, and costs at both the national and local levels. By combining these elements, you create a scalable operation that balances consistency with flexibility. Key takeaways. 1. Build strong systems. Systems create consistency and efficiency at scale. 2. Empower local teams. Decentralized decision-making allows adaptability and responsiveness. 3. Invest in people. Training ensures your team can execute at a high level as you grow. 4. Measure everything. Metrics help you monitor performance and identify areas for improvement. 5. Balance control and flexibility. Maintain your core standards while allowing local teams room to adapt. Final thoughts. Scaling isn't about growing bigger, it's about growing better. By building systems, empowering your teams, and tracking the right metrics, you can expand operations without losing efficiency or consistency. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let us know in the comments. What's your biggest challenge with scaling, and how are you tackling it?